Any other questions that you'd want to know on the...
Okay, yeah. The next set of questions will be really on the capacity for this system, and just a brief explanation on how you did the load assessment and what mitigation was there at the time that there's no sun. Because I know during the day you can do anything that you want and so on, and like I can see here, the battery is full.
Yes,
and obviously you're just using the solar and so on.
So if you come with me, you can see that one string of solar panel is actually giving us 237. Here we are getting 237 volts. So if we go to watts,
I'm sure it is the 536 because it's supposed
yes. So we have around 490, and which should be the same with this one. Yeah. So we are getting almost
the
there.
same.
Yes.
That is watts. 470.
Yes, that's here. It's 470 watts.
Okay.
And there is about. So this is basically what the load is demanding at the moment.
Okay.